Hello, my friend. Welcome. Imagine this. You are at an airport. You meet someone new. They smile and ask, "Where are you from?" This time you do not freeze. This time you answer clearly. In this lesson, you will learn how to understand the question. Where are you from? You will learn how to answer it naturally. You will practice in real sentences. By the end of this video, you will say your country confidently in English. You are not just watch me. You are building your English step by step. If English feels difficult, you are not alone. Many learners feel nervous when someone asks a simple question, but simple questions create big fear. Today we remove that. YouTube has subtitles. Turn them on. Click Settings now. Choose Subtitles. Choose Auto Translate. Select your language. Now you can understand everything in your own language. You can read. You can listen. You can repeat. This is your safe space to practice. Now picture your future. You are traveling. You meet someone in a cafe. They ask, "Where are you from?" You smile, you answer without fear. Conversation continues. New friend, new connection. English becomes real. That feature starts now. The question is, where are you from? Listen again. Where are you from? This question asks about your country. It asks about your origin. It does not ask where you live now. It asks about your home country. Now speak together. I speak first. You speak after me. I am yellow. You are blue. Are you ready? Where are you from? Good. One more time. Where are you from? Very good. In real life, people may ask fast. Do not panic. It is the same question. English speakers connect words. Your brain must learn the parent. Now imagine someone looking at you and asking it, "Where are you from?" You understand it. That is step 1. Understanding removes fear. Answer is, "I am from." Example: I am from Italy. I am from Japan. I am from Mexico. I am from Germany. Now we speak together again. I am yellow. You are blue. I am from Italy. Good. One more time. I am from Italy. I am from Japan. Now your country. I am from. Say your country. Good. Clear voice, slow, strong. This is A1 level. Short sentences correct grammar. Nothing complicated. Now connect it with your introduction from part 1. Example. Hello, my name is David. I am from France. Listen carefully. We practice together. I am from Germany. Good. One more time. I am from Brazil. I am from the United States. Good. Both forms are correct. I am from. I'm from. Use what feels natural. But remember, do not drop the verb. Never say I from Brazil. English needs the verb. Grammar is not your enemy. Grammar is a tool. Small structure, big clarity. Now let us add one more sentences. I live in. I live in. Careful, this is different. I am from Spain. I live in Canada. Repeat after me. I am from Spain. Good. One more time. I am from Italy. I live in Canada. One more time. I live in Canada. From means origin. Live means current home. Example. I am from Italy, but I live Germany. Repeat after me. I am yellow. You are blue. I am from Germany, but I live in Italy. One more time. I am from Turkey, but I live in Germany. Still simple. Still beginner friendly. Let us practice a real conversation. I speak first. You speak after me. Hello, my friend. What is your name? Where are you from? Excellent. Repetition builds automatic response. Automatic response builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Fluency is comfort. Close your eyes for a moment. You are in an international meeting. Different countries, different accent. It is your turn. You say, hello, my name is. I am from. We practice. Hello, my name is Erkan. I am from Turkey. Good. One more time. Hello, my name is David. I am from Italy. People listen. You are part of the conversation. English is no longer wall. It is a bridge. You can make mistake. It is not problem. But do not say I from Spain. This is wrong. You need the verb. Don't forget it. Okay? Correct structure creates strong base. Strong base creates confidence. My friend, if this lesson helped you, Answer confidently. Press like. It helps more learners find this video. If you want to continue build your English step by step, subscribe now. This is part 2 our introduction series. In the next lesson, we will learn how to talk about your job, your studies, piece by piece. Simple and clear. Keep going. Keep speaking. See you in the next video.